Updating your payout information on Udemy is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings without any issues. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Udemy account. Visit the Udemy website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account associated with your instructor profile. Step 2. Access your profile settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to Payout Settings. In the Instructor dashboard, find the Earnings tab on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then select Payout Settings to view your current payout information. Step 4. Update your payout information. In the Payout Settings section, you will see your current payout method. Click on the Edit button to modify your payout information. Enter the new details as required, such as bank account information or PayPal address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout information, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout information on Udemy. Make sure to check your details regularly to avoid any payment issues in the future.